Well, hello, I'm Rohan, and thank you for joining me again. Today, I'm going to show you a concept to help you play reggae lead guitar on the fly. So whenever you're called upon in a band context, or if you're just playing to a backing track, you can immediately play lead guitar. I am going to use the Mixolydian scale, not the complete scale. I'm just going to take a part of it. I'm going to take 2 licks and I'm going to show that to you. We're going to use a backing track in the key of G major. I would advise you to watch the entire video, stay towards the end, learn the concept, and I guarantee you, you are going to benefit from it significantly. All right, so the keys I'm going to use are G major, D major, and C major. I'm holding it in these positions because it makes life a little bit easier. I could have gone here and there for the D and C, but if I do that, it's going to make your life more difficult. I don't want to change the scale formula or the scale pattern. This is the reason why I'm using these chords. The G here, the D here, and the C there. All right, so it's the Mixolydian scale. Let me show that to you now. And then when we come down to the D, it's the same structure, the same shape, the same formula. And when we come to the C, the same formula again, same pattern. Now, you don't have to learn that, but you need to have an idea of it, should in case you want to explore things further. But the licks that I'm going to use are these. So that's lick number 1. Then I'm going to go show you lick number 2 now. So those are the 2 licks. So let me show you how that works very quickly with the backing track. Now, obviously, if you're playing a band context, you want to mix and match that. But it's just the idea to have something to immediately play lead guitar. You can change the notes, tweak it however you want to, but the concept is very solid. I initially got that from an American gospel guitarist. I can't remember who he was. I've been trying to find out, but I can't remember. and it's actually quartet playing, taken from the Mixolydian scale, just a part of it. You don't have to learn the scale, you just need to learn the riffs, and you can mix and match those in your reggae guitar playing. So let me just play the riff very slowly for you. So it goes. See that? So let's practice it together 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that same pattern can be shifted up and down the guitar. So when you go to the D, it's the same thing. And then when you go to the C, it's the same thing. So practice that over and over till you get it right. The other lick is a little bit simpler, and it employs some of the concepts in the first one. So it goes like this. So let me play that 5 times for you, and you can practice it and play along. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For those of you who are more advanced, you can move along. So practice that over and over until you get it right. And it's the same shape in all 3 keys. So that's the D, and that's the C. So you can mix and match those notes. Again, they're taken from the Mixolydian scale, and it's a fantastic scale that you can use for blues, a little bit of jazz, and any contemporary song that you're playing. And it works for other chord progression, reggae chord progression as well. So practice that until you get it right. So if I was going to play this, what I would do for you to practice, you practice it first using one concept, then you practice it with the other concept, then you practice it with both concepts, and then you mix and match and change it however you want to. So I'm going to show you that now, and you can practice along if you want to. So here we go. So that's the concept. I want you to practice that over and over until you get it right. It's really hard to go wrong with that. So again, it's the Mixolydian scale. You can practice that until you get it right, but you don't have to know it completely. Just look at the 2 riffs that I showed you and practice that over and over till you can mix and match it. And then you can change the notes however you want. You can rearrange it and play with it as much as you can. It's a very quick way for you to get into lead guitar playing. I will post the backing track in the membership area. For those who are members, will get it. And thank you again for becoming a member. Thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Take care now. Bye.